In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clone Stamp tool in Photopea. The clone stamp is perfect for removing distractions, duplicating textures, or repairing small imperfections. We'll walk through the essentials so you can get clean, believable edits without overcomplicating things. First, open Photopea in your web browser. It runs right online, so there's nothing to install. On the start screen, click Open from Computer, then pick the image you want to retouch. Higher resolution photos give you more detail to work with, but any clear image will do. Next, look to the toolbar and select the Clone Stamp tool. You're looking for the little rubber stamp icon. Once it's active, check the options bar at the top. Click on the size control to open the brush settings, then adjust the diameter to fit the task. As a general guideline, use a brush slightly larger than the blemish or object you're working on, but not so big that you grab unwanted background. A softer edge tends to blend better on skin and gradual textures, while a harder edge can help on crisp lines or graphic shapes. If you find the effect too strong, you can lower the opacity to build the result more gradually. Here's the most important part, sampling a good source area. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then click on a clean spot in your image that has similar color, lighting, and texture to the area you want to fix. On a Mac keyboard, use the Option key. Think of this as telling Photopea, copy from here. Now move to the area you want to correct and click to stamp the clone. Line up edges or patterns if needed, then apply a single click or a few short clicks. Short, controlled strokes help you keep the texture looking natural. If the lighting or direction of the texture changes, sample again by holding Alt and clicking a new nearby spot. Resampling frequently prevents obvious repeating patterns that can give away your edit. Take your time and work gradually. Zoom in for precision, then zoom out to check the overall look. If something doesn't blend, press undo and try a smaller brush, a softer edge, or a closer sample point. Aim to follow the natural flow of lines, grains, or skin texture so the clone seamlessly blends into its surroundings. When you're done stamping, pause and evaluate the result. If everything looks cohesive and you can't spot obvious repeats or halos, you've nailed it. That's the core workflow. Open your image, choose the clone stamp, set a suitable size, Alt-click to sample, click to stamp, and review the result. With a little practice, you'll get fast, clean fixes that look completely natural.